Anthropic has just unveiled Claude 3.7 Sonnet, a groundbreaking AI model that can think before it speaks. Unlike traditional AI, this hybrid system lets you choose between instant responses and deeper, more thoughtful reasoning. Let's dive in. Anthropic is pushing the boundaries of AI with its latest release, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, a next-generation model designed to think about questions for as long as users need. Unlike traditional AI models that provide instant responses, Claude 3.7 Sonnet introduces a hybrid AI reasoning system, allowing users to toggle between real-time answers and more deliberate, thought-out responses. A new era of AI reasoning. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is the first hybrid AI reasoning model in the industry, offering both speed and depth in its responses. Users can choose whether to activate the model's reasoning mode, which extends its processing time to improve the quality of answers. This innovation is part of Anthropic's broader effort to simplify the AI experience, eliminating the need for complex model selections and instead offering a single, adaptive solution. Who gets access? Starting Monday, Claude 3.7 Sonnet will roll out to all users and developers. However, the advanced reasoning capabilities will only be available to premium subscribers of Anthropic's Claude chatbot. Free users will receive a standard version of the model, which Anthropic claims still surpasses its predecessor, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Pricing and competition. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is priced at $3 per million input tokens, around 750,000 words, more than the entire Lord of the Rings series, and $15 per million output tokens. While this makes it more expensive than competitors like OpenAI's O3 Mini $1, 10 per million input tokens for $40 per million output tokens, and DeepSeek's are $1.55 per million input tokens, $2.19 per million output tokens. Claude 3.7 Sonnet stands apart as a hybrid model combining real-time and deep reasoning functionalities in one system. How Claude 3.7 Sonnet thinks. Anthropic has optimized Claude 3.7 Sonnet for real-world problem solving, including complex coding challenges and agentic tasks. Unlike conventional AI models, which respond instantly, Claude 3.7 Sonnet can break problems down into steps, improving accuracy through a structured reasoning process. This technique is inspired by human deduction, but operates at machine scale. Anthropic envisions a future where Claude autonomously determines the appropriate thinking duration for a given question. Similar to how humans don't have separate brains for quick answers versus deeper reasoning, AI should integrate these capabilities smoothly. Anthropic wrote in a blog post, the model also features a visible scratch pad, allowing users to see its internal reasoning process. However, some parts may be redacted for trust and safety reasons. Performance and benchmarks. Anthropic's tests highlight Claude 3.7 Sonnet's superior performance. 62.3% accuracy on SWE bench, real-world coding tasks versus OpenAI's O3 Mini 49.3%, 81.2% score on TU bench, AI interactions in a retail setting versus OpenAI's O1 73.5%. Additionally, the model refuses to answer questions 45% less frequently than Claude 3.5 Sonnet, providing more nuanced responses rather than outright rejections. Introducing Claude Code, an AI-powered coding assistant. Alongside Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Anthropic is launching Claude Code, a research preview tool designed for developers. This tool allows users to interact with Claude directly from their terminal, making coding more intuitive. Key capabilities include project analysis, understanding code structures via simple commands, automated modifications, editing and explaining changes in plain English, testing and deployment, debugging and pushing updates to GitHub. Claude Code will be available on a first-come, first-served basis to a limited number of users. Historically, Anthropic has prioritized safety and reliability, but this latest release signals a shift toward innovation leadership. However, the competition is heating up. OpenAI is rumored to be working on its own hybrid AI model, with CEO Sam Altman suggesting a release within months. Whether Claude 3.7 Sonnet will maintain its edge remains to be seen, but for now, Anthropic is taking a bold step forward in the AI landscape. Anthropic is finalizing a $3.5 billion funding round at a $61.5 billion valuation, per Wall Street Journal. Initially aiming for $2 billion, the round grew as investors, including Lightspeed and MGX, joined. This would bring Anthropic's total funding to $18 billion, that despite hitting $1.2 billion in annual revenue, the company remains unprofitable and plans to use the funds to advance AI development. So, is Claude 3.7 Sonnet the future of AI reasoning, or will competitors like OpenAI catch up? Anthropic is making bold moves, but the AI race is far from over. What do you think? Would you pay for advanced reasoning features? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest AI news. See you in the next one.